I am Dr. Swarchla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. Are there any methods to improve egg quality? Yes, there are. You can do certain things to optimize your egg quality. You can begin by improving your diet for fertility. Focus on leafy greens, berries, whole grains, lean proteins. Also omega-3 rich foods like flaxseed, walnuts, fatty fish. Antioxidants which include vitamin C, E, selenium are very good. However, limit sugar, trans fats, processed foods, excessive caffeine and alcohol also. Reducing all these will bring down oxidative stress and inflammation which are harmful to eggs. Reduce your stress and improve sleep. Chronic stress affects hypothalamic pituitary ovarian axis and this can damage their quality. Techniques like meditation, yoga, deep breathing and counseling help normalize hormones. Aim for about 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep which supports melatonin and hormonal balance. Take fertility boosting supplements also. Some key supplements include coenzyme CoQ, also called as CoQ10. It boosts mitochondrial function in eggs. DHEA is another one, dihydroepiandrosterone. This may improve ovarian reserve in low responders. Myoinositol also is a good supplement which enhances insulin sensitivity and oocyte maturation. Melatonin is an antioxidant that protects oocytes from oxidative stress. Folic acid supports DNA synthesis in developing eggs, and vitamin D regulates AMH and ovarian function. Omega-3 fatty acids have anti-inflammatory properties which support follicle development. Always consult a fertility specialist before starting all these supplements, especially DHEA. Another way to improve your egg quality is to maintain a healthy body weight, also called as BMI, body mass index. Ideally, it should be 18.5 to 24.9. Both underweight and overweight status can affect ovulation and egg quality. Losing about 5 to 10% of body weight in overweight women can restore regular ovulation. Definitely avoid smoking, alcohol and toxins. Smoking depletes ovarian reserve and accelerates egg aging. Alcohol can damage hormone regulation. Reduce your exposure to endocrine disrupting chemicals like BPA, phthalates which are found in plastics and cosmetics. You can consider medical intervention if needed, like hormonal optimization. Thyroid dysfunction, insulin resistance or high prolactin should be addressed. Balance is key to egg development and ovulation. IVF is also a very good add-on for poor responders, and some mild stimulation protocols are there, like androgens, DHEA or testosterone patches before stimulation, growth hormone treatment for poor responders. PRP also is a very good ovarian rejuvenation technique. Act early if your age is a factor. Egg quality declines significantly after 35, and early fertility evaluation and egg freezing are options for women who want to delay pregnancy. Limit your environmental and occupational exposure by reducing pesticide, heavy metal and solvent exposure. Overeating of the body with saunas and excessive exercise also is not good. If you wish to know more about this, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.